Do not
Yeah,
tag me.
Stephanie, you have to be the photographer.
But I want to do his lips.
Alright, but you could do that in a minute.
Jiggle it, jiggle it, jiggle it, jiggle it, jiggle it, jiggle it. My arm is gonna get tired. That looks like how you do your makeup, Marta.
Am I hurting you, Dylan?
No.
Mine, your light.
Yeah, just a little.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Let me get that off you, Marta.
How my eyelashes look?
Do you have a wig, Marta?
Whoa.
Yes.
Oh my god.
That looks mad nice, though. He has nice eyelashes. Hey, Bianca.
Like yours looks mad full. Bianca, you gotta step your game up.
Alright, Dylan, don't open your eyes. Wait, yeah, open
Trying to
your
make it look natural.
Oh, I didn't know I had it.
You want me to spot right now.
You did it before?
Fuck, I can't get all of them at once. Alright, don't move.
Cause-
Just keep it. Look up. I'm not gonna hurt you.
If Bianca doesn't stay still.
Close your eye. You're fucking me up, Marta.
I can't cause he.
Close your eye.
Can you hold this so I can do his lips now?
Wait.
Bro, this is so funny.
How you gonna take this all off?
It comes off. It comes off.
Wait, just one more thing, and then you can do his lips.
Oh my god. I think we should just go downstairs, sit at the
No.
kitchen.
No, I'm not gonna let MCAS look at me like this.
If my mom thinks you're gay, you'll be allowed over all the time.
Yeah, but like, I don't want that. She already saw me last week with a fucking ice cream
Ice
suit.
cream party.
I'm not gonna look at her with makeup now.
We're like falling over.
I'm hurting you.
Alright, where's the lips go?
Close your eyes, Dylan.
Close your eye.
This is a pen. I'm about to draw me with a pen. What? We're falling over.
Starting like the thumbs up in my Rolex. Oh. No?
Close your eyes. What are you doing? You're not supposed to look. Finish. How you have to turn this? Oh shit, it's sticky. Oh, Marty, you're here.
Okay, hold on.
This is so cool. I wish I had this.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
This is the Christmas. Can I just take a picture of you on my phone so you can be my backup?
Oh my god. Hell no.
That's what she'd look like if you was a girl.
I'm an ugly.